Hello my dear friends, welcome to the Dancer's Book and the North Shore Dance Society. My name is Aleksandar bonev, and in today's video I'm going to teach you a Rumba exercise, American Rumba exercise that you can practice every time before your dance lessons, before your dance event and so forth. In this exercise I'm going to combine the major figures of American Rumba based in your American Bronze syllabus. Enjoy the video. Alright guys, we're going to begin with the box. So I'm gonna start by moving backwards, back on the right, brushing action, side step to the left, feet together, replacing body weight. Forward on the left foot, side step, feet together, replacing body weight. What I'm going to do is I'm going to commence a curving action with the right foot. Every time when you're curving with the right foot, you have to curve to the right. Regardless going forward or backwards, the right foot will always bring you to the right. Curving, quick, quick, forward, quick, quick. Every time when you place the feet together, please make sure you replace your body weight. The next thing that I will do is I'm gonna commence a forward walk with the right foot. Walk, quick, quick, walk, quick, quick. From here, I'm gonna go to the side. Quick, 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 and then I'll go back again. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. This is an extremely easy way for you to change your directions, to learn how to dance your box, to rotate your box, to travel with your Rumba walk, and to curve, meaning changing directions or constantly rotating. One of the main things that you have to do as a performer is you have to be constantly aware of the surroundings, the actual flow of your dance. With that being said, practicing curving box with a Rumba walk is extremely important. I'm going to demonstrate the same exercise one more time. I'm going to go back, quick, quick, forward, quick, quick, back, quick, quick, forward, right foot forward, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. You're back to the box, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. As many as you have to, and then you can always go forward. Quick, quick, and slow, and quick, quick. Main focus, exercise alone. Brush your feet every time you're passing them. Collect your legs and change your weight. When you're doing so, please make sure there is no gap between the inner thighs. Every time when you're collecting, do your very best to collect the heels. Do not place them flat. We're not dancing waltz. Be careful with your posture. Do not look down. Make sure that you have shoulders pushed down, hands probably in front of you, tucked in. I talked about the lumbar in one of my previous videos. We all have different amount of curve, so as long as you're aware that everything is well put together, well tucked in, you're probably all set. All right, the next two steps. I just danced the forward walk. Typically I'll finish it with a side step. I'm gonna dance another box and I'll go for my crossovers. From here, I'm going to dance a spot turn, commencing to the right. Spot turn to the left. From here, fifth position break, going to my right, so I have to push through the left shoulder. The next thing, we're going to replace from foot to foot. Last thing we're going to do, I'm going to do one more replacement, is a side step to the left. At any given time, go back to your box, rotate your box X amount of times. Do a little bit of forward walk. You can curve your walk, dance a box, another walk, and you're back to your exercise. Now, the exercise consists boxes, forward walks, crossovers, spot turns, and fifth position breaks. Those are major figures that each and one of you will have to practice throughout your dancing journey, regardless of your level. Those are figures that you will see in your bronze, in your silver, in your open routines. So make sure that you practice smart. I'm going to go over the entire grouping once again. I will commence with a step moving backwards. Quick, quick. Forward, quick, quick. Back, quick, quick. Forward, quick. Right foot is free. Forward, quick, quick. Forward, quick, quick. Back to box. Slow, quick, quick. Slow, quick, quick. Slow, quick, quick. Forward walk. Slow, quick, quick. Slow, quick, quick. Rotational box. Slow, quick, quick. Half a box to a crossover to your right. Spot turn. To the left. Fifth position break. Weight replacement. Side chasse to the left. Box. Walk. Side box. Crossover. Alright my friends, thank you so much for watching the video. If you have not subscribed, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button, and if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. Please share our YouTube channel with your family and friends, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you and goodbye for now.